Get all-in-one ad set for a dropshipping store on holiday. New Year is one of the best times of the year for e-commerce sales. Is your dropshipping store ready for this Jingle Bells season? It's high time to start your preparations right now. New Year and Christmas make sales have grown, tempting shoppers wore out from shopping for others into buying a few items for themselves. With this magical bundle, you'll save your time, efforts and rake in money. Someone says decorate your Christmas with joy. And we say decorate your Christmas with increasing sales and new customers. So, let our dropshipping elves do magic. Prepare your store for the holiday season thoroughly. So, why do people choose our holiday promotion bundle? A real bargain price, from only $199, the extra money will always come in handy, for example for the future development of your store. Super fast delivery time, from 1 to 7 business days. You will never have too much free time, right? Unyielding amount of traffic to your site equals new customers and more sales. A perfect pre-holiday selling opportunity. Christmas shoppers are running a marathon on their shopping. A strong tendency, the number of people who prefer online shopping during pre-Christmas time grows year on year. Save time. The clock is ticking down towards the biggest holiday event of the year and we're ready to do all the work for you ASAP. Save nerves. Holiday season should be peaceful and cozy. Our bundle lets you sit back, relax, and don't think about promotion strategies and marketing ideas to attract customers. As you know, we run our dropshipping stores to test new marketing strategies and improve the performance of our technical solutions. There you have it, holiday promotion bundle to ramp up your e-commerce sales this holiday season. What's included in it? Wonderful image ads and video ads, attractive pictures and videos, catchy texts, and target audience settings, so you can get the maximum amount of sales. Inspiring FB cover. Hunting for deals is a tricky business, so you need to motivate customers to buy on social media too. Engaging social media posts, they make your social media accounts look busy, trustworthy, and exciting. Bright and informative blog post plus traffic ad to attract holiday shoppers traffic to your store. The Christmas shopping season already started. People buy literally everything with ultrasonic speed, they should hurry up to make everything they've planned. That's the words we can say about you. While the holidays can be a busy and hectic time, it's crucial to remember the importance of family time. The holidays are a special occasion to be together. So, leave the professional handling of all holiday season arrangements to us and create life-lasting memories with friends and family, without having to worry about work-related responsibilities.